Yeah. We are here again searching for a job. Still, so today, we are Free State. So, like I explained in the previous videos, this is the website that I would go to see which which departments or rather which provincial government, since right now provincial government span via the provincial or no, local. So we are going to Free State, Free State, where we are now going to start with the provincial legislature. Here now. Okay, WordPress. What's okay? I'm looking for a job. Let's see about us. No, I don't want to. No, adverts. Yes, we found them. Found where the vacancies are. It's right up there. Arto Sokola. Oh, it's closed. Okay, but thank you for letting us know. We will keep a lookout. And then, so the next one after the provincial legislature, remember, all these are just examples. You go far, you can even go to the other departments, provincial departments, so you can see what other opportunities lie there. You can go to the public entities, you can even search on private sectors or so more. They even have right here vacancies. Premier Marquis. So they already have very recent, so let's see how recent it is. Let's see the recent test. Today it was posted July, yes, less than 6 months ago. So definitely there's opportunity more. You can check it again, visit them again and again to see when was this opportunity. On July, so but 6 months ago. So definitely this is worth checking it out again to see so that you can keep up to date, with your job applications tracker. The template is also available down in the description. There's a link for a link tree, and then you go into the link tree, and then we'll free templates that will be nicely packed there for you. So let's go to the public entities, the departments. You can visit them at your own time. I would rather do an example using public entities. These are the ones I would like to visit just to see a recent test, or how long ago did they post adverts. Are they regularly posting? Are they shy about the vacancy about the poster? So public entities also prefer them because their recruitment processes, you find that it is much more very different to the departments. So you find already they have cover letters, they need all certified copies. Oh yes, I should do careers. Free State Gambling and Racing Board is an equal opportunity and affirmative action employer. So recruitment for previously employer, and to this extent conduct targeted recruitment for previously disadvantaged individuals. This institution is established for the purpose of regulating the gambling and liquor industry in the Free State province. So they have a week. Let's see how recent is this one. 2013. Aba here or aba post on their website. This one needs online. 2013 as well. No. This one no, don't edit. Let's see the other public entity. Let's see FDC, Free State Development Corporation. So they want me to accept their cookies. Yeah, take your cookies. So they have vacancies here. So I went out from up there. They easily put I'll be there for you to find. And let's see, invitation to serve on the independent external members. So now, right, you're deceiving. Bored. Hey, you never know what is the requirement, who's qualified. Oh, as a legal practitioner. Me, no, I'm not a legal practitioner. But if you are, here you go. Or you have performed service related to the application and administration of the law. So, good luck. So, where's the listening? Oh, 2024. Guys. Yo, recent. So, this is how recent. Let's see this how recent. Restart. Please post more vacancies on the website, on your website. So just this one, it's already 2025. Yes, very recent. Yes, we found one. Nice, Free State. Nice one. So you passed the recent test, so now you can add it to their list. Okay, these ones is worth visiting regularly. Alright. Now you can also visit the other departments at your own time. I know you get what to visit. Okay, this week I'm gonna make sure I visit these 5 departments plus 2 public entities. So one or Spanish but otherwise, Free State, you way for your. Thank you so much for watching the video. Give me Mr. Sharp.